Welcome to this tutorial. Let's run the setup cell so we can download everything needed to generate music from text using Music Gems model, uh, recently open source by Meta, and we are going to use Google Colab that gives us free GPUs. So in this case, we are going to use a T4 GPU. So the first step is simply to download everything needed to run the demo. So we are going to wait a little bit. Okay, so now we have to restart the runtime. So we click here, and now we click on yes. We rerun this cell, and the next step will be to select and download the model. For this tutorial, we are going to use the small model because it's faster, but I recommend you to use the large one to have better results. Also, I recommend setting use diffusion decoder to false because I have tried setting it to true and the results are very similar, but it requires more memory from the GPU. Okay, so it's downloading the model, and the next step is to write some prompts to generate the music. Here we have 6 prompts with different styles. So I'm going to also run this cell, and the final step is to generate the audio. So in this case, to have the results very fast, we are going to just use 10 seconds for each prompt. It's going to be an overlap of 2 seconds between the different segments of the audio. We are going to save the audio on this file path, and the intermediate results will be shown. So it's generating the audio now. It says that we have given 6 prompts. The audio will have a total duration of 60 seconds, and using the T4 GPU, it will take around 120 seconds to generate the audio. Okay, so this is the first prompt that we have given, and it has also already created an audio of 10 seconds, but I'm going to wait until the second one is available. Okay, so this second audio has 20 seconds. The first half will be generated with this prompt, and the second with this other prompt. So let's hear how it sounds. Okay, so it's very nice. And also we don't see a transition, a clear transition between the two segments of the audio. And this is because this, this model takes as input 2 seconds from the previous segment and tries to create a smooth transition with the given prompt. Okay, so it's almost ready. We have 40 seconds of audio, and the audio will be 60 seconds. So let's wait a little bit more, and we will listen to the whole audio. Okay, so this is going to be the final generation. And while I play the audio, I will highlight the prompt that was used to generate that segment of the audio. Okay, so let's hear to the whole audio. So that was all. It's very impressive that artificial intelligence can generate this. So give it a try. And if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Goodbye.